Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Asia Pacific wires and cables, and what you can see here is the long-term chart of Asia Pacific wires and cables, where one could see that from the lows of April or March 2020 the stock has made a move of 195%. So we are going to discuss about the trend, and it is a long-term trend and the levels which one should look at probably in the days, or not days but months and years to come. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now you have a pretty straightforward trend. Okay, the trend is pretty straightforward here and you need not to think much about it, because this is a flat or a consolidated trend. Okay, and whenever you can see a very long term flat or consolidated trend, understand one thing: the levels are pretty much restricted, either on the upside or on the downside. So unless the stock makes a move, okay, it's just a flat trend. So that's the one thing you need to understand and look at. Now if you look at this trend, the things which one could see is simply this. So you have your first support at $1.3, then your next support will come at $1.1, then you have your support at 0.91. okay, on the upside you have your first resistance, okay, or target at $3.1. If it crosses 3.1, then you have 4.5, and your big target or resistance will be 7.6. now one must stop at this level. Why? I have already told you, it's a consolidated range which lasts for past probably, if we do not consider 2003, then since last 16 odd years this range exists. So let the price decide whether you would want to make a breakout, breakdown, or it still want to be inside this range. Okay, so if it is the case that it will be inside the range, then this will be the big target and this will be the big support. If it indeed makes a breakout above 7.69, in that case we will see that's not the point one should consider right now. Okay, the maximum level or the optimism which you have must get restricted till $7.7 on the upside, and on the downside you have 0.9. so let the stock decide whether it want to make a breakout or breakdown, then we will go for those levels. But inside this range we have levels pretty much fixed. On lower side you have 0.9 and on the higher side you have 7.69 or 7.7 on the upside. So that's what you need to look at, but inside that you have lots of support and resistance level. So just take care of those levels. Do not just jump around and hop around simply thinking that every levels now this is our final destination. That's not going to be the case. Okay, there is one more level which you need to look at, which will be a first support at $1.97, then second support 1.3, 1.1, 0.9 on the upside, 3.1, 4.5 and 7.7. so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.